In this video, we are going to be talking about multiplying two binomials, but using FOIL or first, outer, inner, last instead of using an area model. These are both useful ways to do it, but I want to make sure that you're aware of how to do it in different ways because some of you might have a preference. You should be able to do it both. So technically, FOIL is using the distributive property, but it's a little more complicated and often gets messed up if you don't keep track of things. So when we talk about first, I'm talking about my first terms in a binomial. So I'm going to highlight this yellow just so we know exactly what we're talking about. So I'm going to multiply -3 times 7b. So -3b times 7b. Trying to color code to keep track of everything. So if I multiply these together, we have -3b times -7b. You don't have to write out everything. This is just to show you what I'm doing. So the next thing I'm going to do is outer. So my outer is -3b and 5. So this is my outer here and outer here. So I am distributing the -3 to the 5, like this. So again, I'm color coding just so we keep track. So from here, what I have is plus -3b times 5. And then I'm going to do my inner. So my inner is going to be 6 and -7b. So 6 and -7b. And I'm multiplying these two together here. So when I write that out, I have 6 times -7b. I'm going to ignore that one for now. And then lastly, I'm going to do last, which is 6 times 5, 6 times 5. So I will underline those, connect those, and I have 6 times 5. So when I write all of this out, I have -3b times -7b, which is 21b, and then -3b times 5, which is minus 15b. So that, sorry, I meant to say that that was squared. And then this part right here is -42b, and this right here is plus 30. So when I combine my like terms, I get 21b squared minus 57b plus 30, similar to what we had above. And again, this is our sum. And this right here is our product. So if you want to see this again, my second example is going to be here. It's not going to be as detailed. So if I'm doing first, I have x times 3x, which is 3x squared. I have outer x times -1, which is -x. Then I have inner, so I have 6 times 3x, which is 18x. And I have 6 times -1 as last. So my last one here and my last in my binomial here, which is -6. So now I combine like terms, 3x squared plus 17x minus 6. And this right here is our sum, while this right here is our product. And you can see that this matches using our area model as this matches using our area model.